Okay, so hi everyone, this is my comic and I'm going to read it. Chapter 1, Alone Foxy. So, Freddy's laughing at Foxy, then Foxy got his hook and then he grabbed onto Freddy and then Freddy said no. Then now Foxy threw Freddy and then Freddy lifted up Foxy, and then Freddy threw him, and then Bonnie and Freddy are talking about a joke, and then Foxy is going away with his toys and clothes. Chapter 2. Foxy has a robot arm. So Freddy's chasing Foxy. And then Foxy is looking at the door, and then Freddy's trying to chase him. And then Foxy fell into the lava soup, and then Freddy's laughing at Foxy, but Foxy has a robot arm, and then Foxy got his arm, and then pushed Freddy out of the window. Chapter 3, Popping Balloons. So Balloon Boy said, it's wet. And then Bonnie doesn't know what that means, and then Bonnie's laughing because Balloon Boy's balloon pop, and then Bonnie are laughing so loudly, and then Balloon Boy said man, and now Balloon Boy makes a big pop, and then now then Freddy and Bonnie are flying. Chapter 4, Evil Foxy. Now then the wall crashed, and then Foxy is angry, but Foxy supposed to have blue eyes, but now Foxy has purple eyes. Now Bonnie is putting his hands up, and Freddy doesn't want to look, and Foxy is growling, and then Foxy is laughing, and then Bonnie needs help, but Freddy does not know what help means. But Freddy can't help because he doesn't know how to help people. Now chapter 5, Changing. Now Foxy turned into Crocky because 5 Nights at Freddy 2 Foxy is Crocky, so then Crocky is laughing so loudly. And then Freddy said run and Bonnie said no. And then Bonnie and Freddy are going inside the vault. The end.